I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
Hello everyone, today I will show you how to build a simple earthquake detector using Arduino. This device can detect even sleep vibration and audio alerts. Material for this project:
first, connect the MPU6050 sensor to your Arduino. The sensor will detect vibration in 3 dimensions. Second, connect the LCD display to your Arduino. This will show information about detected vibration. Third, connect the green LED to indicate normal status and the red LED to indicate when vibration is detected. Fourthly, connect the buzzer to your Arduino. This will sound an alarm when vibration are detected. Fifth, connect the push button to your Arduino. This will allow you to switch between display modes and recalibrate the system.
Connect the switch to turn this device on and off. Upload the provided code to your Arduino. The code handles sensor readings, calculates vibration magnitude, and controls the display and alerts. After uploading the code, the system will perform an initial test and celebration. The LCD will show a welcome message and the green LED will indicate the system is ready.
Using the device, the green LED indicates normal operation. When a vibration is detected, the red LED will light up and the buzzer will sound. The LCD will display detected and show the vibration magnitude. Press the button to cycle through different display modes. Normal show status and magnitude. Detail show sensor readings. Statistics show maximum recorded vibration.
Conclusion: earthquake detector is now ready for use. It can be placed in a different location to monitor for vibration. This device can be used for earthquake detection, security system, or educational demonstration.